Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off read receipt on iPhone. So if you want to disable or turn off read receipt on your iPhone for iMessage, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off or disable read receipt on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on the iMessage application. On our settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now on the apps page, scroll down until you get to messages, then click on that. Now under messages, scroll down the page, just keep scrolling, and here if send receipt is enabled, when this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enable read receipt for all conversations. So if this is enabled on your own case, that shows read receipt is enabled. Now for you to be able to turn off read receipt on iMessage or your iPhone, just come here and disable send read receipt, and then you're good to go. So when someone send you a message on your iPhone, and then they will not be notified whether you have read it or not. So that is basically how to disable or turn off read receipt on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.